Okay, good morning students and welcome in semester 6. This semester I am going to take your elective subject, that is AIT. So I am sharing the syllabus of the same one, which is departmental elective subject. Okay, so it's departmental elective subjects. So we have got only theory exam. We don't have oral practical for it. Okay, it is straightforward given like this. And okay, please clear this. Right, we have got only theory. We don't have any practical sessions. Practical session means we have practical, but we don't have the practical and oral exam for it. So like last time we did the mini project, which was compulsory one, right? Because depending on that, we faced the viva also. So over here in this particular subject, the things which are very much clear cut given. So let's see one by one so that we will come to know. Today is the first lecture only, so I will brief the syllabus and simultaneously we will start it. Okay, so our subject is advanced internet programming. Previous thing that we did is internet programming. So now we have got the objectives and outcomes are like this. Even though you are it is listed 6 outcomes, we have to list only 4 outcomes, right? And I will club that 4 outcomes and then we will do the same thing. So if you see that in this advanced internet technology, what we have to do, first of all, we have something like SEO, search engine optimization. Now we have to see that how search engine works, what are the different algorithms are there. And next one is this, that if you see the second outcome, you should define or you should explain the search engine optimization techniques. What are the various techniques of SEO? And you should develop the keyword generation. Now how it is, while looking at this particular section, how it is so simple, you know. If you visit the Google and then you type, right, software engineering, and if you once you type like that, whatever you will type, it will come automatically, right? So that is what is the, I am talking about the keyword generation, how you will generate the keywords, right? So what are the different algorithms are there for it, like that, okay? And then describe different web services standards. Then RIP, that is nothing but rich internet application, using proper choice of framework, right? Apply multiple quantitative and qualitative methods for web analytics. Then web 3.0 and semantic web standards. If you see, if you compare our previous syllabus, right, our previous syllabus with the current syllabus, then you will come to know that in the previous syllabus we did how to or we did the exercise of developing the websites or web applications, and we use for that PHP MySQL, right? We also know the one of the framework, that is Django framework, which you people are aware of that, and a few of you can able to design the website using that particular framework also, right? Now if you compare, if you look at this our syllabus, now current syllabus, then you will come to know that it is something like advanced of previous one, and that's why the subject is also called as advanced internet programming, wherein once you design the website using HTML5, CSS3, and let's say something like Ajax or some other techniques, right, or languages, then the next thing is how can you do the optimization, how can you design or how can you do the analytics on it. So different analytics are there, everybody is aware of Google Analytics, so and so forth, right? So even though we know the name of only the Google Analytics, but if I ask you, you know, that whatever you designed in the previous internet application, all the mini projects, whatever you did in the previous semester, everything is going to help in this semester. So we need not to design anything new one, whereas we have to put search engine for it. For example, Adnan, Chirag and these people, right? The Adnan, Chirag and Sujit. These three students, they designed my website, right? yogeshpinay.co.in, and everybody else, other they have designed their own website, and which we have hosted also, right? But if you consider my particular case, right, that is whatever the website which is designed by Adnan, and if you see our college website, which is also designed by these people, Abhishek, Jayesh, and other students, right? And Adnan already they have got their own team. So if you look at these two particular live websites, I am saying live websites, then in this particular semester, what we have to do, we have to go for like analytics part, right? We have to do something like search engine optimization. If I just type the events in Mumbai University Engineering Colleges, then our college should come at the top side. How it will come? It is not coming automatically, right? It is not coming only of the data also. The data is there, but now it is required that how can you do something like analytics on it, right? Whenever the Google search engine or other engines, right, there are so many search engines, right? And what we are saying that Google is very faster search engine because Google has got a very big data, right? Now I'm talking about not that kind of big data, but even if let's say it is having the very big data, right? That's why the people throughout the world, they are using that. But otherwise, if you look at the China population, what type of search engine they are using, talk about the Japanese people, talk about the Russian people, talk about the Australia country, talk about the US. US obviously they will use Google only, right? But if you consider all this particular, if you consider the whole world, and then you listed out all the different search engines and the utilization of that search engines, then you will compare that. Yes, obviously Google is at the top, right? There is something called as Bingo, and other so many search engines are there. We will look after this immediately after this. But now, whatever, now let's say India is also having the search engine as Google only. So Google, people are using everywhere the Google. Now the thing is that how we will do the analytics, how our data will come up at the first, right? It is something called as analytics that we have to do it, and it is not so simple also, but it is having the depth of how you will link with the data, because as we know, it's like crawling of the websites. Crawling means jumping from one location to another location. Very simple. The URL, right? If you click from this, so that this data is linked with the this data. This data is linked with the this data. Now, ultimately, you are working on the data structure only, where you will find it out if there are like double linked list, circular linked list, and once you are talking about a linked list, is nothing but data connected to another data. How it is going to connect it, and how you are going to extract the data. Extraction of data is very, very important role. Accessing a data is very important role in case of the search engine part. And if you look at the Google like search engine, they are using so many frameworks also. Just to type something, and if you click, within simple 0.1 second, only you can say, not only that, nanosecond, within the nanosecond you will get a lot of data throughout the world. You can just imagine how this engine, one engine, is connected to the whole world library, and how it is extracting the data, accessing, how it is so much faster. So if you compare that, and if you now thinking that, can we design our own search engine? So as HTML5 is giving us a very simple text tool for search engine, right? But it doesn't mean that if I use that, then my search engine flows very quickly, or it is like Google. No, we cannot compete Google and all other search engine as well. But still, let's see that we are the students where we want to think about to design of our own search engine. Then what are the things that we should keep it in mind, right? So my dear students, this is the right thinking of yours that you can able to design your own search engine, and this is how you can able to show to the world that how you can develop the innovative things, because now you are telling to the world that yes, look at my search engine, wherein we can connect, we can gather the data from different things, what type of API you are using, what type of frameworks you are using, or are you designing your own API, are you designing your own framework. Designing of framework, designing of API, it's very big deal for us, right? So all the companies like MNC and topmost companies, right, the engineers like you, once you will enter in the industry and once you will go, right, within 6 months, once you will upgrade in the industry, then you will come to know. So I will give you one of the very good example, Mr. Swapnil Mistry, right? He is my very favorite student. So and he passed out from the college the last years, and everybody knows. I think all of you are knowing this person, Swapnil Mistry. He has given the talk on React also, right? And on this HDP, even if you don't know previously, but he did it. Now everybody also knows that he was a topper. Still, he couldn't get a job in TCS and Infosys like companies. At the end of the semester, like in 8th semester, right, he got something like frustrated. You know why he was not getting a job. Like the people like the others, they couldn't do any coding. Still, these people just cleared the aptitude test and they got a job in Infosys, like very big companies, right? So नसीब में लिखा है वो लोग का, it's okay. But what about उसका नसीब? So what he did, you know, he started thinking like this. He built something like some or two dummy kinds of projects. Like you people are also doing it. I'm not saying you people are not doing. You people are doing, I think, the very much better than the other people also. But these are some cases I'm telling you. Like Swapnil Mistry, right? So he did some this thing, right? Developed and other things, and in offline, or let's say full campus. In full campus, he went for interview, and that was a company called as Simpress company, where there was one more student from computer, like Miss Najiba. Najiba is also a very scholar and very deep in coding, right? So everybody, you also people are knowing about her also. But Swapnil is from our branch, and that's why, and I'm also connected with him, right? And that's why I'm telling you his story, right? And what happened, you know, after that he went for the interview. There were 2-3 rounds, right? He went for the competitive coding part, right, and the other technical aspects, right? He showed them something like our projects, not only the coding projects but also the IoT projects, which we made it simultaneously. Like now these people are doing it, right? तो अदनान वगैरह वो लोग ने कैसा अभी लाइव वेबसाइट किया है, और अभिषेक जयेश वो लोग ने कैसा अभी लाइव वेबसाइट का काम कर रहे हैं. So like he also did some part of it, and he also did some part in IoT. So we provided the solution IoT to the society. एक इंडस्ट्री को हम लोगों ने एक सोल्यूशन भी प्रोवाइड किया था, एंड ही इंटरव्यू में वो एकदम क्लियर हो गया, एंड ही गॉट अ जॉब इन सिम्प्रेस कंपनी. जस्ट इमेजिन, तो फुल कैंपस वो कंपनी. ऐसे एमएनसी वाले कंपनीज अपने कॉलेज में आते हैं, यू ऑल्सो नो इट, राइट? बट अदर कंपनीज डेफिनेटली दे केम, राइट? बट लेकिन आपका एप्टीट्यूड का नसीब अच्छा रहेगा तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, अदरवाइज कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. बट ही गॉट अ वेरी गुड जॉब, एंड जस्ट सी आफ्टर 8 months नाउ, आफ्टर 8 months, 1 साल अभी उसको लास्ट अभी ये पैंडेमिक पीरियड में 1 साल हो गया, राइट? 9 लाख का पैकेज है उसको, 9 लाख का पैकेज है. 1 साल अभी हुआ ही नहीं है, उसका प्रमोशन हो गया. Now he is working as a senior software engineer. उसका पोस्ट मिल गया senior software engineer. Now his package is double, 18 lakh rupees. Within 8 months, 18 lakh rupees. How it is possible, you know, my dear friends? Because of the innovation, because of the things that he is doing and he was doing since college lifetime. Right? Innovations. Always do innovations, you know. Whatever certain things are there, how can you do on your own? And he was using like API what you are also using it now. Using API and developing the things, it one aspect. And another kind of thinking, how can I design my own API? Two aspects are there. Always imagine the second one and always think on this, right? And this is the college lifetime. College lifetime में आपको second वाला thinking करना चाहिए, first वाला नहीं. First वाला thinking कौन करता है? Industry में जो starting में जाता है ना बंदा, right? Or just let's say for first few months, you can say 1 or 2 months, if you are learning something different thing, if you are learning some new things, then it's fine for us. But while designing, going for the project, or designing something, or doing something else which other people are not doing it, if you want to attract the good companies towards you, then the first thing that you are going to do is that you have to think about how can you design your own API. हम लोग का खुद का API हम लोग कैसे डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, खुद का सर्च इंजन कैसे रहेगा, right? And if you thinking only one angle that I will use, see there are thousands of API. The people are doing it. Now Swapnil is doing in Simpress company what? He is designing their own API which is given by that company. तो कंपनी में बैठ के उनका वही जॉब है, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर, उनको वही करना पड़ता है. Are you getting doing something else? Is it okay for you? Right. So what I'm telling you that this is the right time, right place, right, where we can able to see what kind of new innovative things that we can do it. Right. There are a lot of things that this semester we are doing it online. Right. Nobody knows that when you will come offline over here. Right. We don't have any practical exam like that, but still, right, some of the practicals, because some of the things that we should decide by ourselves and we will go for it, right? And even though if you look at the subject as only theoretical subject, right, the people who can think like this is a very theoretical subject, see, you can clear this subject, you will get very good marks, even though if I say after 2 or 3 days there is university exam of AIT and you appear for it, I'm damn sure that more than 50% of these students, they will clear the exam and will get very good marks. I'm damn sure about it, because it is what we are not discussing any kind of rocket science, but we are thinking about to go for rocket science. We are thinking of it. Otherwise, if you one aspect you can see that see this, yes. So same thing I'm talking about that search engine basics, wherein in this particular chapter we are going to go for this algorithm based ranking system, right? And everything, see, whatever we are doing it is already predefined by the world, predefined by the some of the companies, some of the research, right, research industries like that. Okay, so they have already designed their own ranking and these things. So we are going to study this, right? अभी ये study करने के लिए कितना time लगेगा? It will not take so much time, right? So that this slide presentation or the notes for it, obviously I'm going to give it to you, right? But I'm telling you, we will go one by one, step by step only. Now next is what? Search engine optimization. Whatever I have told you, SEO. For SEO, what are the things are required? So there are something like steps for you, right? It is not like this that directly go for analytics, you code copy करो, code copy करके website web page में paste करो. और आपका काम हो गया, okay, SEO is completed. No, there are some steps. What are the steps that we have to decide? We have to decide what are the different kinds of competitors are there. We have to determine it. How can you go for the benchmarking, current indexing status? How can you see the current rankings? And how can you do the SWOT analysis? Right? So these are something like we have to do it. And keyword generation, what just now I discussed. Right? So this keyword generation is there. Right? So let's say this is very verbal, pay-per-click campaigns. Right? How can you do this? It's very, very important. If you created your own blog, once you created your own blog, and that blog, you should have like this feature, pay-per-click. Right? Who is going to pay for you? Right? How it is going to pay? How much it will pay? It will cost. Just imagine that how you will do it actually, analysis on it, and how you will do like these campaigns. Right? Actually, it should make something like business for us. Then only it will come to know, right? So it is again one more aspect is there. Even though the outcomes are written like this, I will expect the outcome from you people is one more thing, that how can you design your own business model on it? How can you go for like this, the different kinds of campaigns? Actually, it is nothing but a digital marketing only, right? Web services. Now, these are some of the web services that we are going to study it in detail. Some of the UDDI, SOAP, which was there in your previous semester, XML, which was there, right? So these are the RESTful services are there, right? Comparison of this REST, SOA, and SOAP, and then we have got RIA, we have got Ajax. So I think we have started the Ajax in IP. अदनान हम लोग ने किया था क्या? अभिषेक, एजेक्स कुछ तो किया था क्या? हेलो एनीबॉडी? चिराग? हेलो एनीवन? लिटिल बिट, ओके, ठीक है, वी डू इट लिटिल बिट, बट हियर वी विल डू you can say the better part of the whatever we did it. Okay, now there is Jason we also did it, right? I think हम लोग ने वो भी किया था ना, जेसन का भी पार्ट किया था आई थिंक, एंड MongoDB भी हम लोग ने लिया था, so that thing is also there, right? The developing RIA using Ajax technique, so this is what is required. So Django, Drupal, Joomla, introduction and comparison. Here we have to do something like CMS system. Now, as we are knowing that Drupal system is the best system, best CMS, content management system, Drupal. I think many of you are knowing it also. It is working in Ubuntu, Linux operating system, right? And all these are the open source frameworks. So we have to compare with that. And this also question comes for the theoretical only. Web Analytics 2.0. Now this is how the industry actually started on this web analytics. Here we have to do something like how we can go for the doing some web analytics, right? And this web analytics is going to be do a great role in case of this experimentation and testing part. And next one is Web 3.0 and semantic web. Right, here also we have got so many other kinds of schemes, right? So semantic web stack. So this also we are going to study it, right? More and more it's like a theoretical one, right? And we may go for like web semantic analysis or other part of this, like I will also give some URL, a very good URL, like one of my friend, Dr. Vishal Jain, he is from New Delhi, and he did his PhD in web semantic analysis, right? So पूरा उसने research किया उसके ऊपर. So I will call him for one day, and I will we will ask him to deliver some of the few things about the semantics. Apart from, see, this is the higher level of your syllabus, right? Higher level of syllabus, right? Otherwise, in syllabus, whatever it is written, we are going to cover it. But let's say this ontology and semantic part, the people who did their research work on it, what is there inside their mind, and what are they thinking about it, what are the different, let's say, this is challenges components of it, so that thing that we have to see from these people only, right? The textbook and everything which is given over here, right? But my dear students, I recommend a very good book for you, which is written by Dr. Deven Shah, right? Dr. Deven Shah, is a boss, board of studies, chairman of board of studies in our information technology, Mumbai University. So Dr. Deven Shah. So I will just type here. Let's see whether it is available or not. Advanced Internet Technology. अरे PDF फाइल भी अवेलेबल है. ग्रेट है. PDF फाइल अवेलेबल है. He is working in Thakur College. नहीं PDF फाइल नहीं, उन्होंने उतना ही दिया. I am also having his book, Dr. Devin Shah. He has only designed the syllabus. He is only doing everything about this syllabus. So we will stick with the syllabus of this, right? Syllabus तो इसका ही है, तो हम लोग इसका ही whatever the things are given, right? Whatever the things जो भी content source of दिया है, right? It is in his syllabus only. I got this book because I got complimentary copy. Right, I got 2 complimentary copies. So the students who are living in Vasai only, please come here and take one book from me. See, one second. Hello, sir. आप Hello. Am I audible? Okay. So I was just talking about this book, Advanced Internet Technology. Um, if you want to take it, you can take it. Just see it कि उसका PDF फाइल वैसे मिलता है क्या. Adnan, can you get this book? ऐसा ऑनलाइन ऐसे मिलेगा नहीं ना हम लोग को. हाँ हेलो अदनान. Or anybody else. Why I'm saying, this book is very good and lot of material is there. So it should not happen that whatever we are taking, right, now, right, I will take many of the things, right, many of the things. I will not skip any one thing. But the thing is like that you should also not miss anything. For example, if you will come offline, right, and then there will be an exam offline, then it should not become a difficult for you people, right, to write the answers and everything. That's what I'm telling you. Uh, okay, so as such, in this particular syllabus, we don't have any kind of mini project. We will not do it also. But the thing is that some part of it that we will do it as a practical point of view, right? And another aspect is that we will go for the theory part of it. So you tell me that how we will proceed further. Anybody please unmute yourself and you just tell me that I just not talk about our syllabus, right? And I also given you the important book that you should refer so that it is better for you people to understand the concept as well, right? And to do the work. Okay. Two things I particularly emphasize on the syllabus. The first thing is that we should go, right, for designing our own thing like search engine or SEO. How can you go for it, right? The second level of it, that whatever you designed the site in the previous semester, and all these sites are online only, and everybody aware of that it is online only. Okay, our college website is obviously online. My website is also already online. Whatever you did, right, from your side, these are also there online, right? So I think we can go for it, and you can put something like SEO. You can do the optimization. You can go for SEO for it, right? And we will do it. So these things that I have to discuss. Anything you would like to talk, please talk. Chirag, you have to unmute yourself and you should talk. Huh? Whatever otherwise it seems that you are not listening to me at all.
Yes, sir.
Chirag, what you got, you tell me. हेलो चिराग.
हाँ सर.
आपको AIT के बारे में अभी क्या क्या पता चला, इतना बोलो.
सर SEO उसके बारे में, और जो लास्ट टाइम IP था उससे थोड़ा एडवांस लेवल जाएगा.
तो हम लोग ये SEO वाला पार्ट, एनालिटिक्स वाला पार्ट हमारे यहाँ कर सकते हैं. अपने जो डिजाइन वेबसाइट किया था हम लोगों ने, वी हैव डिजाइन आवर ओन वेबसाइट, राइट?
हाँ, यस सर.
उसमें कर सकते हैं ना?
यस सर.
ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट हम लोग वो सीखेंगे कैसे है, क्या है, ऑब्वियसली, एंड देन वी विल गो फॉर इट. लेकिन हम लोग कर सकते हैं, राइट?
हाँ सर.
Anybody wants to share something? See, we have got two lectures, right? Up to 11:25. We have to talk about this particular subject, and we have to go for the syllabus and everything, right? So it is not from my side who is going to talk for 2 hours continuously, right? So we are also human being. हम लोग भी एक टाइम पे थक जाते हैं. तो आधा घंटा भी हो गया. We should have some like 2-3 minutes break. तो इसके लिए I am asking to other students. If you want to talk something, you can talk. You can discuss something regarding the syllabus. Whatever I have discussed to you regarding the books. Anybody is having any question, please ask. कोई भी क्वेश्चन रहेगा तो पूछो. मैं 2 मिनट देता हूँ. Right. Now just 1 second. How many students are there? Only 20 students. I think yesterday I put 1 second. Shweta is not there. Hello, Shweta is not there. No. We have got 25 students. No, we have got 24 students, right? 24 students है तो अभी एब्सेंट कौन है इसमें? Let me take roll call. At least I will come to know. Doesn't mean that I will mark you absent today only. But I want to just check because this is the first lecture and we have got 2 batches, right? One batch for DF and one batch for the AIT. So that's why I should come to know. ये दिख रहा है क्या आपको? आप अनम्यूट करो. अदनान के बजाय दूसरा कोई रहेगा तो भी चलेगा बिकॉज मैं वो शेयर कर रहा हूँ ना. एनीबॉडी एल्स? आई थिंक
हाँ सर दिख रहा है.
हाँ सुचित, ये दिख रहा है ना रे?
हाँ दिख रहा है.
तो इसमें एब्सेंट कौन है देख जरा. रुचि एब्सेंट है. आई थिंक गट्स लोग एब्सेंट है क्या?
हाँ
रुचि एब्सेंट है, श्वेता एब्सेंट है. देन और कौन एब्सेंट है? चिन्मय इंगाले इज देयर. चिन्मय इंगाले हाँ है ना.
है.
चिन्मय, कैन यू अनम्यूट? चिन्मय.
यस सर.
ये चिन्मय तेरा कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है वो सॉल्व हो गया?
नो
What was the
सर.
problem? क्या प्रॉब्लम था आपका?
सब्जेक्ट चेंज करने का था सर.
सब्जेक्ट लेकिन तूने कैसा किया था? पहला वो SQ2 कुछ डाला था ना.
फर्स्ट वाज मल्टीमीडिया.
मल्टीमीडिया और दूसरा चॉइस तेरा AIT था ना.
हाँ.
हाँ
देन
that's why.
डीएफ.
Then DF था. तुझे DF चाहिए था ना अभी.
हाँ.
बट नहीं ना, अभी हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो अब आपको उधर HOD के साथ बात वगैरह करना पड़ेगा. आपने चॉइस के हिसाब से डाला रहता था ना. सेकंड इज DF एंड थर्ड इज AIT. यू वुड हैव गॉन फॉर DF. ओके. अभी तीसरा कौन है? चिराग, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट कि श्वेता और रुचि वो DF क्लास में जाके बैठे नहीं ना.
हाँ
चेक करो जरा, चेक करो.
सर वो लोग कल के लेक्चर्स में भी नहीं आए थे शायद. तो
अरे कल का लेक्चर किधर हुआ था? अपना लेक्चर ही हुआ नहीं.
कल मतलब कल पूरे दिन के लेक्चर में अदनान भी
अच्छा.
बोल रहा है.
अच्छा ओके 1 सेकंड. ओके. तो उधर है ही नहीं तो गए किधर है क्या मालूम. बिकॉज श्वेता इज हियर ओनली ना, सो वी शुड प्रेजेंट फर्स्ट. ठीक है 1 सेकंड. गिव मी 2-3 minutes. You will just Hello, good morning, Shweta.
हेलो,
हाँ हेलो श्वेता.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
गुड मॉर्निंग श्वेता, किधर है तू?
सर मैं बाहर हूँ, लोनावला आई हूँ, इसीलिए लेक्चर्स नहीं अटेंड किए. आज
अरे वाह.
कल से पक्का.
कल लोनावाला से आने वाले हैं तो सही.
हाँ हाँ ना सर, तो इधर पे सेटल होने थोड़ी ना आई हूँ.
तो आते समय कुछ लेके आओ जरा, चिक्की विक्की कुछ.
श्योर सर, श्योर.
और
पक्का वाला
आपके
लेके आऊंगी.
AIT में जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको सब कुछ लेके आओ. और
ओके सर.
बाद में उनसे पैसा भी ले लो.
हाँ ठीक है, सब लोग पैसे दे देंगे. सर आप
अच्छा ठीक
सिखा
है.
रहे हो कुछ?
हाँ मैं सिखा रहा हूँ. मैंने सिलेबस डिस्कस किया
ओके.
एंड वही मैं 2 मिनट वेट कर रहा था. वही सोच रहा था कि अभी 2-3 मिनट में अगर आते हैं तो फिर चालू कर दे. 1 सेकेंड. Okay, so I will just tell you a few points again and we will start the syllabus. Okay, we will start it. Okay, I will just present the screen. Okay, Chira, can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll talk with this, right, the characteristics of the web, right. Uh, like these are something points that which are there that we would like to talk about the web, right. So let's see what are the questions related to the web. Whatever slides and whatever things I'm sharing, right, everything, all these are the important ones, right. So even though they are from other different, like this is one of the university or one of it from the SlideShare or one of it from the others, right, still whatever I have clubbed or whatever I have downloaded the material for you, it is, everything is going to helpful for us, right. And obviously I told you regarding the book, right, that book is important and these things are very very important for us, right. So हम लोग को इतना थोड़ा बहुत statistics and everything थोड़ा मालूम होना चाहिए. So that's why, and whatever I am sharing now, everything I am going to put it in our Google Classroom. तो सब, तो जो मैं लेट से अगर मैं जो भी अभी ये URL से मैंने ये PPT डाउनलोड किया है, right, so whatever I am sharing, whatever I am giving you, right, everything I will give it to you, right. Okay, so this is what is something like some very important questions, right, about the web. How many computers are there in the world? So over 40 million, right. So this is like approximate answer, right, it is not the actual answer, nobody can give you actual answer. How many of them are web servers? So over 3 million. How many web pages in the world? Over 350 million, right. So in this particular case I am assuming all of us knows the meaning of web, the meaning of web server, the meaning of web page, and the meaning of web applications, right. So already in the previous semester we did it in detail, right. That's why all these words, nomenclatures, that we are aware of and we know it. So that's why we are just taken it as it is. Okay, what is the most popular formats of web documents? Right, so like HTML, GIF, JPEG, ASCII files. PostScripts, and ASP. Right? Most popular formats are for web documents are these. Right? What is the average size of web document? Right? So mean and median, if you find it out, then you will get 5 KB and 2 KB. That is the average size of any web document. Right? How many queries does a search engine answer every day? Tens of millions. Right? So these are some of the, you can say, the facts about the web. Now these are some of the statistics that they have given us. Right? So let's say if I same thing, if I type it and if I Google it, (2020), right? So 2 billion computers. You can also find out like this, right? It's not like that whatever it is given over here is the correct one, because we know it, right? Approximately 2 billion computers. Right? It's a population of the world 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion तो पूरा यूरोप कंट्री का है. How many of them are web servers? Right. So these are the web servers. 4 web servers are there: Apache IIS, Light PD, and Jackson. Right. Anybody knows about the other web servers? Let's do like this exercise. Apart from first of all, I am telling you very frank thing. Whatever the contents of the syllabus is there, right? We will relate it to the current data. We will relate it to the current data, not the data which was there and which was written by Dr. Devensha in the 2-3 years back, right? A lot of things have been changed. We also know it that within one day, how many things are being there, right? New things are coming up within one day, right? We also know it. So that's why whatever things that we are taking it. So even though the questions are asked like this, and then you should not worry about your exam. You know, exam में पूछा है how many computers are there in the world. ऐसा वाला question तो आएगा ही नहीं 100%. It is for just a make of the knowledge of this particular subject. That's why. Okay. But whatever we are discussing, right, it is going to be definitely beneficial for us. So, can you tell me about the web servers? Number 1. बोलो चिराग. हेलो चिराग.
यस सर. हेलो.
हाँ, अलग अलग वेब सर्वर्स बोलो क्या क्या है, कौन से टाइप के हैं. वी नो इट. सी हम लोग को जितना मालूम है वो हम लोग उतना लिस्ट आउट करेंगे. बाकी का सब दुनिया भर का इधर तो दिया ही है. सी एवरीथिंग दैट वी विल गेट फ्रॉम द गूगल, दैट इज फाइन. बट व्हाट वी नो, एटलीस्ट वी विल लिस्ट आउट दैट ना. बोला वेब सर्वर. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टेक्नोलॉजी. तो उसमें पहले क्या आएगा, कौन सा वेब सर्वर आएगा? एनीबडी? IIS. एनीबडी नोज IIS के पहले कौन सा सर्वर था? यस चिराग को ही पूछ रहा हूँ. अपाचे तो ठीक है. अपाचे तो ओपन सोर्स आ गया ना रे. मैं तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की लाइसेंस की बात कर रहा हूँ. और अपाचे बाय द वे अपाचे ग्रुप अलग है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का नहीं है. IIS के पहले कौन सा वेब सर्वर था मालूम है? इट इज इंटरनेट इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विस. उसके पहले कौन सा सर्वर था? PWS. Anybody knows about PWS? Actually, I work on the PWS. That's why I know about it. Anybody knows PWS? PWS is a personal web server पर्सनल वेब सर्वर। ध्यान में रखो, पहले पहले जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने सर्वर लॉन्च किया थे अलग अलग, उसमें PWS was मोस्ट पॉपुलर वेब सर्वर, राइट, पर्सनल वेब सर्वर, राइट। उसमें क्या होता था, उसमें वी ऑल्सो नो देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ कंसेप्ट कॉल्ड एज अ गेटवे, राइट। नो, हम लोग थोड़ा सा हिस्टोरिकल में जा रहे हैं, राइट। सो प्लीज बेयर विथ मी, आफ्टर दैट इमीडिएटली वी विल टॉक अबाउट द लेटेस्ट वन। ओके, लेटेस्ट वन अलग अलग है। तो उसमें क्या होता था, गेटवे में देर इज समथिंग लाइक वन रिक्वेस्ट कम, right, one request come from the outside world, and we will have the response for it, right. Just we are going behind this, and we will just think about the technology, right. So क्या होता है, there is one request and one response, right. There is another request, another response, right. So that means what I'm trying to say, in this particular case we have got something like only one gateway, one common gateway through which one request comes and one response, right, was there, right. So there was no facility called as multiple requests and multiple response through a same common gateway. ये concept पहले था ही नहीं, right. तो इतना ही था, okay, one request and one response। इसको ही हम लोग बोलते हैं CGI का मतलब है कॉमन गेटवे इंटरफेस। कॉमन गेटवे इंटरफेस में एक ही होता था, ओनली वन रिक्वेस्ट वाज देयर एंड वन रिस्पॉन्स। सो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर देयर इज वन ओनली रूट। ओके, व्हाट हैपन आफ्टर दैट, द टेक्नोलॉजी, राइट, बिकम्स अ स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वेयर whatever request you gather from the outside, you gather it and you make an one request object of common request. Let's say there are 4 requests are coming from the outside. Out of that 2 requests are common, so make 2 requests as one request only, right. Another 2 requests are common, so to make one request, right. And for response, as a response you give only one response, but you have to bifurcate that response into 2 responses, and ultimately these 2 users, 1 and 2, both users will get 2 different responses, right. 2 request आ गया, उसको मैंने common request बनाया, right. You put it in the server. For that common request you will have something like only one response, and internally again you divide that one response into 2 responses, and that it ultimately reaches to the user, right. What was this आर्किटेक्चर? किसको मालूम है कि ये आर्किटेक्चर क्या है? ये तो मुझे आपको मालूम पड़ा, CGI, कॉमन गेटवे इंटरफेस, वन रिक्वेस्ट वन रिस्पॉन्स, दैट्स इट, वन कॉमन गेटवे। तो एनीबॉडी इज पुटिंग एनीथिंग ओवर हियर? नहीं, अदनानी टाइप कर रहे हैं। दूसरा कोई तो बोलो ना, अभिषेक, एनीबॉडी एल्स प्लीज टॉक। हेलो अतुल, अतुल है क्या रे? हॅलो, अतुल इज देअर? हां, अतुल तुला इथपर्यंत कळलं का CGI वगैरे काय मी सांगितलं ते?
हो हो.
हां, मग त्या CGIच्या नंतर व्हॉट आय टोल्ड की रिक्वेस्ट, 4 रिक्वेस्ट आल्या, तो 4 रिक्वेस्ट आर कमिंग, राइट. So instead of 4 requests, if the 2 requests are common, so create one request and send it to the server. Server will respond to that, and internally it will bifurcate into 2, and ultimately the each user will get different response, correct? तो या आर्किटेक्चरला काय म्हणतात? तो या आर्किटेक्चर को क्या बोलते हैं? एनीबॉडी एल्स? Anybody knows this architecture? Tells what is the name of this architecture? हर्ष पांड्या?
Yes sir.
हेलो, हाँ हर्ष, ये टेक्नोलॉजी को क्या बोलते रे? हाँ, हेलो हर्ष, समझा तुझे मैं क्या बोला थे? हेलो 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 हर्ष, हेलो हेलो हर्ष, समझा क्या मैं क्या बोला, क्या वापस बोलूं?
नेटवर्क थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू इसलिए आपको भी आवाज कट रही
नहीं, लेकिन आप खाली येस और नो तो बोलो। मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो आपको आपको सुनाई दे रहा है ना, क्या नहीं दे रहा है?
है। यस सर अभी मेरे सुना।
ओके, वेदांत देसाई इज देयर? हेलो वेदांत, आर यू देयर?
सर
अब वेदांत समझा क्या मैं क्या बोला, क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ तो थोड़ा समझ में आया।
लेकिन ये वाला बात समझ में आया क्या कि एक मैं रिक्वेस्ट भेज रहा हूँ, राइट, और
हाँ।
सर्वर मुझे एक रिस्पॉन्स दे रहा है, बराबर?
सर
इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कॉमन गेटवे इंटरफेस, CGI। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन क्या है कि अगर एक ही टाइम पे 10-12 रिक्वेस्ट आते हैं सपोज, तो सर्वर क्या करेगा, 10-12 रिस्पॉन्स भेजेगा। लेकिन 10-12 रिस्पॉन्स भेजेगा, लेट्स से देयर आर मिलियंस ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट, देन इट विल बिकम वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम, राइट? सो व्हाट द सर्वर इटसेल्फ डू, सर्वर विल टेक द कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट, वो कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट बनाएगा। रिक्वेस्ट का 10 रिक्वेस्ट आए, उसमें से 5 रिक्वेस्ट कॉमन ही है, यानी ये लोगों को एक ही चीज चाहिए, राइट? तो वो क्या करेगा, एक ही ऑर्डर देगा, एक ही रिक्वेस्ट बनाएगा उसका। सो ओनली वन रिक्वेस्ट विल बी देयर एट द सर्वर साइड एंड द सर्वर विल रिस्पॉन्ड ओनली वन रिस्पॉन्स। बट अल्टीमेटली ये रिस्पॉन्स भी 5 बार डिवाइड होके हर एक यूजर को अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्स मिल जाएगा। इतना समझ में आ गया?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो अभी मेरा ऐसा क्वेश्चन है कि ये वाले थिंग को क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी कॉल्ड एज? CGI को मैंने बोला, so this technology, whatever I discuss, I will tell you, right? The technology where we are creating one common request object, right? Delivering it to sending it to the server, right? And server gives the response for only this request, and internally this response again it divides into different users, right? This architecture is something called as कोरबा architecture. अभी आपने नाम सुना है नहीं सुना है मुझे मालूम नहीं है, बट दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कोरबा आर्किटेक्चर, कॉमन ऑब्जेक्ट रिक्वेस्ट ब्रोकर आर्किटेक्चर। तो ये है ना, ये एक ब्रोकर टाइप है ना, ये एक एजेंट है, ये एजेंट है। ये क्या करता है, सबका रिक्वेस्ट लेता है, जो कॉमन है वही कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट सर्वर को देगा, सर्वर से उसका रिस्पांस लेगा और हर एक आदमी को अलग अलग उसका रिस्पांस सेंड करेगा। तो ये क्या है, ब्रोकर है, ही इज अ ब्रोकर, राइट? ब्रोकर एजेंट, यू कैन से एजेंट। सो उसका वही काम है। सो इन टेक्नोलॉजी इज ऑल्सो सेम थिंग। शेयर मार्केट में ये देखो, शेयर मार्केट में सब जगह पे ऐसे ही होता है ना, देयर इज वन ब्रोकर। तो ब्रोकर क्या करेगा, आम आदमी लोगों का सब फटाफट रिक्वेस्ट लेगा, तो तुझे क्या चाहिए, तुझे कौन सा शेयर चाहिए, तुझे कौन सा चाहिए, एंड देन ही विल सेंड टेक अ कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट। वो कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट करेगा और वो भेजेगा सर्वर के पास। सर्वर से एक ही रिस्पॉन्स लेगा, लेकिन हर एक यूजर को अलग अलग जवाब देगा, लेकिन वो जवाब भी कॉमन रहेगा। आर यू गेटिंग? दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? कोरबा आर्किटेक्चर, कॉमन ऑब्जेक्ट रिक्वेस्ट ब्रोकर आर्किटेक्चर। दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये बात एकदम फिक्स करो। CGI is common gateway interface. Then we have something, we had something, यानी अभी है ही नहीं, लेकिन we had something like कोरबा। Now you will ask me, सर ये तो आप लोग पुराना बात कर रहे हो, अभी तो एकदम नया चीज चालू है। लेकिन what I told you just now, let's say if you are talking about the latest one, and if you want to design a latest one, आपको खुद को डिजाइन करने का है, तो पहला बात तो आपको ये आता है क्या करने को, कैन यू राइट वन प्रोग्राम फॉर इट वेयर इन यू टेक अ रिक्वेस्ट। ये नेटवर्क प्रोग्रामिंग है, बात ध्यान में रखो। प्रीवियसली वी यूज्ड टू डू, नॉट प्रीवियसली, ऑल्सो वी डिड व्हाट, सॉकेट प्रोग्रामिंग। सॉकेट प्रोग्रामिंग में जस्ट इमेजिन कि एक रिक्वेस्ट वन रिस्पॉन्स, देन वी हैव गॉट मल्टीपल रिक्वेस्ट। अभी मल्टीपल रिक्वेस्ट मिला, तो मल्टीपल रिक्वेस्ट को कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट बनाने का कैसा, फॉर दैट यू हैव टू राइट वन प्रोग्राम ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ नहीं होता है, एवरीबडी नोज इट बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ वी आर प्रोग्रामर्स, ऑल ऑफ वी आर टेक्नीशियंस, वी नो इट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट बनाने का कैसा, कॉमन रिक्वेस्ट जैसे सर्वर के पास से मुझे रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है, अगेन हाउ कैन आई डिवाइड दैट रिस्पॉन्स इनटू दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉमन थिंग्स, राइट. वेटिंग टाइम भी कम होना चाहिए, इट शुड रिड्यूस ऑल्सो, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द फ्रेमवर्क came into the picture. Frameworks came into the picture, but framework came after this technology called as Corba. So जो दुनिया में जिनको CGI, Corba, Sowlet ये सब चीजें मालूम है, राइट, वही बंदा आगे जाके MNC में जाके बैठ सकता है, और MNC में कंपनी में जाके अब वॉट एवर यू टॉक नाउ, फुल स्टैक बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो, ये नाम अलग अलग हो गया है, राइट. द नेम इज चेंज, इट्स लाइक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर. Previously there were programmers, right, who did everything, right. वो पूरा कोरबा आर्किटेक्चर में सब उनको ही करना पड़ता था. अभी फुल स्टैक बोला जाता है, अभी वो था, लेकिन उसके बजाय फिर देयर वर ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स एंड अदर थिंग्स आल्सो. डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर वो अलग था, सब अलग अलग था, इसके लिए अलग अलग पोजीशंस है ना. लेकिन अभी फुल स्टैक डेवलपर में इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि अभी नया पोजीशन है तो नए बंदे लोग ही उधर जा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. द पीपल हु वर वर्किंग सिंस CGI, Corba, Sowlet and all the technologies, these people are only there working as a full stack developer. और जो अभी बंदे जो लोग आए, जो are learning the new things like Node.js, Express.js, all other like these things, right? But Node.js बनाया किसने? जो लोग को Corba ये सब मालूम है वो लोग नहीं, वो लोग चीजें बनाई है. That will become a smoother for the developing the other things, right? But internally, if you go for the system programming, right from scratch, these were the technologies. So Corba की हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. Then we also know something called as Sowlet, जो Java ने लाया, right? So Java came up with this particular concept called as Sowlet. Sowlet का भी ऐसे ही था. Sowlet was, Sowlet you can say the advance of the CGI only. So Corba was not so much popular in the market because of some limitations, because of something like accessibility of the data. जो मैं आपको बोला ना, इधर से इधर जाओ, उधर से इधर आओ, how much time it takes for server trip, how it access the data, right? तो Corba के लिए बहुत टाइम जा रहा था, so that was not popular in the market, right? Then the technology came called as Sowlet, right, which was given by our Java. So जब भी जैसे Sowlet मार्केट में आ गया, right, it was an advanced version of this and it became so much popular. First of all, Sowlet is very much secured, right, everything, okay. And Sowlet and on the pages like इधर जैसे ASP है, right, so we will be using this JSP as a front end Java, right. So JSP and Sowlet was there. इसके बाद में आ गया there is something called as J2EE design patterns. So J2EE design patterns came in the market, right, based on this JSP Sowlet. देखो ये आ गया कैसे, किधर से आ रहा है देखो, right. CGI, then Corba, then Sowlet JSP, then J2EE design patterns. And these design patterns are worked on one architecture called as MVC architecture. और ये वाला चीजें सबको मालूम है. What is MVC? Model View Controller Architecture. So this Model View Controller Architecture, right, is being used everywhere to design something called as framework. So अभी दुनिया में जितने frameworks है latest, you name the framework, it depends upon this architecture, right. Whatever framework you use today, Django framework, Drupal, Joomla, whatever frameworks I am listing out because it is there in your syllabus. So whatever frameworks you use, it depends upon MVC architecture. So MVC is nothing but Model View Controller Architecture. Right? How it came? It came because of the J2EE design patterns. J2EE design patterns based on what? Solid and JSP. It depends upon what? Corba. Depends upon what? CGI. Right? And उसके पहले क्या? Pure socket programming. So that was come into the picture. So ये ऐसा वाला चीजें चालू है, right? So we were discussing about web servers. So web server जब भी डिस्कस करते हैं तभी ये सारे टेक्नोलॉजी ध्यान में आनी चाहिए, right? And then we can talk about what different kinds of web servers. जैसे पहले IIS, right? It is like Corba and Solid. So IIS is very much popular, right? Because it takes part of pooling, it takes the common request, it brokers the architecture, right? It gives the response correctly. So IIS is also popular, but it is licensed version, right? और उसके पहले अपना PWS, personal web server. तो ये personal web server based on this thing, CGI. तो उसका तो टेक्नोलॉजी कब का आउटडेटेड हो गया ना, you know, अभी nobody is using one request and one client, right? So people will use what? IIS. And there is one group, a popular group called as Apache group. So Apache group is very much popular group. तो उसके अंदर there are lot of projects are running. तो उसमें से one of the project that also we have seen it called as Tomcat server. ये भी हम लोग ने शायद से कभी एक बार देखा रहेगा, right? Tomcat server. So Tomcat is a middleware server. So Apache ने बहुत सारे middleware servers बनाए. And once we are talking about middleware server can be a web server also, right? Web server is not like the end of the server, right? Now the whole story is being changed throughout the world. Once you are talking about middleware servers, once you are talking about web servers, once you are talking about distributed servers, right? So these servers are very big servers and they are now distributed, right? One part is remaining in this server data. There are database servers, right? Now if you see that, look at the web servers. The web servers are spread throughout the world, right? It is having a lot of softwares. Like one of the software that which we are knowing like IIS is there, Tomcat or Apache is there, right? And then there are like, you know, the servers like for like we were using what? WebLogic, and there was server called like JRUN, JBoss, JTogether, WebSphere. IBM ने नया लॉन्च किया था WebSphere, right? So WebLogic, WebSphere, these were very much popular servers. And there was a very big popular server also called as JBuilder. And अगर हम लोग ने अगर लिस्ट ही निकाला वेब सर्वर का तो इतना लिस्ट है, lot of list is there of only web server. You go on just listing out of the web servers, and then you will come to know that lot of servers are there, right? Which you should also know, right? अभी इसमें से Apache सर्वर में तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने ऑलरेडी काम किया है. लास्ट सेमेस्टर ओनली वी डिड द बैंक सर्वर और जैन सर्वर. इसमें आपने ऑलरेडी वेबसाइट भी बनाया है. आर यू गेटिंग? Okay, I myself work on all this. Whatever servers I have written on this board. मैंने जितने अभी लिखा है JBuilder, WebLogic, WebSphere, JRUN, JBuilder, MVC, so and so forth, right? Actually, I work on this. I also work on IIS and PWS. I also work on the Corba. Right? ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी में मैंने ऑलरेडी रन किया है. Okay. And J2EE design pattern. Right, we also did the one design pattern called as front controller design pattern. Right, उसके लिए सब कुछ यूज होता है, XML, Ajax, right, JSON, everything. Once you're talking about the framework, right, all these things, there are multiple languages are involved. You cannot say this framework depends upon you should know only XML, you should know only this, you should know only that. No. It's a combination of everything, HTML तो CSS तो आप लोग को वो आपके ब्लड में तो होना ही चाहिए. It's like that. But apart from that, there are something like vitamins for you. Vitamins are like this. Okay, everything you should know, right? To design any kind of framework, or to work on any kind of framework, right? So if you talk about only Django, then you should not say कि I know only Python language. Right? खाली Python language मालूम है तो Django में आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. That is fine, but once you talk about what is the new thing in Django frameworks, what kind of things that you can add from your side. जब भी आप लोग वो स्टेज में जाते हैं तो भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, because using of the web server is a basic thing of the basic need of the industry. Basic need of the industry is what? Are you aware of this server? आपको Django framework में काम करना आता है क्या? आता है. But उसके आगे ऐसा है, what kind of new things you can add into Django framework. तो उसके लिए आपको ये डिटेल मालूम होना चाहिए. अभी ये डिटेल ही मालूम नहीं है तो उसके आगे जाके जाओगे ही नहीं. तो ऐसे ही आप डिजाइनिंग करते बैठोगे. Few projects are there. And MNC like big companies, right? They will not do like this simple websites using Django framework and all these things, right? They will design their own API, design their own things, so that people will use it. उनका ultimate aim वो है. और people like full stack developer, they will go at that level, right? The companies, right, who are struggling period, or who are they are the startup companies, or like 2-3 years back companies, or even like Infosys and TCS like companies who are just delivering the services to the world. These people also will need the people who work only on this technology. तो उसके लिए BA BCom वाले भी sufficient है ना. They don't require engineers for it. They require the person for it. The person who knows this technology, who knows. I am saying who knows the technology. It doesn't mean that who the person who can design that. ये नॉलेज भी जितना लोगों को है ना वो भी काम कर सकते हैं. So that's why the biggest topmost companies, right, they have removed the criteria है ना. They don't know, they don't want any kind of engineer है तो ही ये काम करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है, right? लेकिन as an engineer what we should know है ना, as an engineer we should know that right from beginning to the latest one, what are the things are there that we will study, and after that what we can add as an engineer, what we can do the innovations on it. That is very important for us, right? So that is the main thing that I would like to discuss with you about regarding the web server. Anybody has got any doubt up till now? Who's doubt again? Any doubt is there? Let's wait for 2 minutes again. I will take a small break. Okay, let's go further. जो पॉइंट्स अपने सर्च इंजन बेसिक्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, दैट पॉइंट्स यू विल टेक क्विकली. And this whatever slide I am sharing you, that is very important for you. Right, now let's see the characteristics of the web. Right, so it's very huge, 1.75 terabytes of text. Right, it allows people to share information globally and freely. Right, just imagine. Right, it hides the details of communication protocols, machine locations and operating systems. Right, because it uses the cloud technology, we also know it, but it hides not only that, but it hides the data of communication protocol. Data is unstructured. Everybody knows, everyone is using JSON. JSON itself is not structured, it is unstructured data. Right, exponential growth, and because it is unstructured, you also know it that it is, the accessibility is very fast. These are the characteristics of the web. Right, the question may ask on this, right, enlist the characteristics of the web. So ये characteristics है, increasingly commercial over time. Right, 1.5% .com in 1993 to 60% .com in 1997. So this slide is is made in that year. That's why it is listed 1997. We have to do it right from this. Right, 2020 की बात करो. Right, it's like this. But even though we can say, right, the 80% of .com company in 2020, right? Now, building difficulties of building a search engine, right? What are the difficulties to build a search engine, right? So, is it so simple? No. As I told you, a lot of things are required to design the search engine. ये points क्यों important है मालूम है? जैसे मैंने अभी बोला ना आपको, let's say you want to do your own search engine. खुद का search engine आपको डिजाइन करने का है. So what things that you should do it? So these are the points that you should know it. Difficulty क्या क्या आते हैं? The first is, see this, built by companies and hide the technical details. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला ना कि सर्च इंजन है, सर्च इंजन algorithm. Can anybody knows the algorithm of Google, who has made the search engine? No way at all. Whatever search engine you use, right? They hide the technical details. Definitely you will not get any kind of a simple thing from that particular technical details. Right, so ऊपर का जो commonality है, common like rank algorithm, keyword generation, ये so whatever these things are there, right? Definitely these things are there. These things that you will also get it, and these are common, these are available. ये सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, राइट? ओके, everybody knows the Hadoop, everybody knows the how the reduction take place, everybody knows how indexing algorithm take place, everybody knows how hashing algorithm take place, right? So these algorithms are common, but the beauty of it is what is the heart of search engine is nothing but their own algorithm. हर एक सर्च इंजन का खुद का ओन algorithm रहता है. For example, previously there was one search engine called as Alta Vista. So Alta Vista, Yahoo server, right? These are the search engines. Google search engine, Bingo search engine. तो ये search engine बहुत popular है. अभी भी लोग Yahoo search use करते हैं. Even though they prefer Yahoo rather than Google. The China people, they prefer the Bingo rather than Google. Right? The population in India, they prefer Google. Right, the US people, they prefer Google like that. And because of the population, you can say the 60% of population throughout the world uses Google, but it doesn't mean that the whole world is using only Google. Lot of search engines are there. उसका technical details definitely they will not give at all. Right? That we have to need it, find it out from yourself. यानी आपका अदनान भाई और अभी ये जो चिराग ये लोग हैं और अभिषेक जयेश है, वो लोग ने डिसाइड करेंगे कि भाई मेरा खुद का सर्च इंजन चाहिए, and they will design their own algorithm. That algorithm they will not give it to anybody. They will say हम लोग ने Django framework यूज किया, हम लोग ने ये यूज किया, हम लोग ने वो यूज किया, और आप बोलोगे चलो अब ये आप सर्च कैसे करते हो बताओ जरा, हाउ यू डू द सर्च, गिव मी द algorithm, right? Definitely these people will never do the algorithms, but they will show the result, they will show the result. ये देखो मैं हम लोग ने और थ्रू आउट इंडिया टोटल 10,000 लाइब्रेरी से हम लोग का सर्वर कनेक्टेड है, हम लोग का प्रोग्राम कनेक्टेड है. यूज दिस फ्रेमवर्क and whatever data you want computer details, immediately you type it, my search engine will give the results. And now it is the statistics part. Let's say अगर अदनान भाई और ये सब लोग ने डिसाइड किया कि भाई ये कम से कम नैनो सेकंड में, जो नैनो सेकंड में गूगल मेरे को डेटा देता है उससे भी कम सेकंड में हम लोग भी देते हैं. If they prove like this, that search engine will be the fastest search engine throughout the world, right? हो सकता है the company will go will ask for these people to work on their company, because these people are know how to design this search engine, because search engine is the best part. search engine design करने का ये बहुत ही it's an art, creativity है, innovations है, because you know only. और ये API BPI लेके गूगल का API यूज करने का, इसका API यूज करने का, उसका API यूज करने का, and then you design the search engine and then you say my search engine is faster search engine. No way at all. आप लोग गूगल के गाड़ी के ऊपर बैठे हो, you cannot say my गाड़ी is different than Google. You are using Google search API, you are using Django API, you are using another search API. तो अभी उसका ऐसा मतलब हो गया कि अभी मेरा खुद का API डिजाइन करना ही पड़ेगा ना मुझे, अगर मुझे नया कुछ करने का, नया कुछ वर्ल्ड को दिखाने का है. If I want to show my own innovation to the world, like only for search engine, then I have to think a very different angle for that. And if I'm saying all dear students that this is the right time to make an innovation. फाइनल ईयर में पहुंचने के बाद में जैसे आपका प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट होगा, जैसे आपका कैंपस स्टार्ट होगा, वो टाइम पे आपको टाइम मिलेगा ही नहीं इनोवेशन करने का. एंड आफ्टर दैट वंस यू जॉइन इंडस्ट्री, वो तो इनोवेशन का आपको चांस मिलेगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री वॉट एवर इंडस्ट्री विल टेल यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट. खुद का इंडस्ट्री रहेगा तो बात अलग है, तभी आप खुद का सर्च इंजन बना सकते हैं. बट नाउ एट दिस मोमेंट वॉट एवर इंडस्ट्री दैट यू गेट, दैट रूल्स यू हैव टू फॉलो फॉर द इंडस्ट्री. इंडस्ट्री ने बोला कि ये काम करो तो यही काम करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज ओनली द राइट टाइम. ये जो अपना 3-4 महीना हम लोग साथ में AIT सीखने वाले हैं, दिस इज ओनली द राइट टाइम वेयर यू कैन डू द इनोवेशंस लाइक दैट. एंड ऑलरेडी यू डिड अ वेरी नाइस जॉब. बहुत अच्छा अपने वेबसाइट बनाया है, बहुत उसके अंदर आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. एवरीबडी नोज दैट, एवरीबडी लाइक्स इट, राइट? यू कैन शो टू द वर्ल्ड कि भाई हम लोग ने ये बनाया है. वैसे ही ये नया थिंग है, न्यू थिंग इज देयर, राइट? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटा, राइट? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सर्वर्स आर देयर, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटा तो होना ही चाहिए, सवाल ही नहीं है, राइट? हाई परसेंटेज ऑफ वोलाटाइल डेटा. वोलाटाइल डेटा ध्यान में रखो, उस नॉन वोलाटाइल डेटा नहीं है, वोलाटाइल डेटा है भाई. कंटिन्यूअस डेटा, देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा ना इन द वेब. वी आल्सो डिड इट लास्ट टाइम. वन इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्क्रीट डेटा एंड अनदर वन इज कॉल्ड एज continuous data. Continuous data suddenly changes, we don't know. It is not with respect to time. 1 घंटे के बाद में चेंज होगा ऐसा नहीं है, 1 सेकंड के बाद में चेंज होगा वैसा नहीं है, 1 सेकंड के बीच में भी वो चेंज हो सकता है. सो इट चेंज, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड volatile data. It's large volume, we also know it. That's why we are treating the data as a big data. Unstructured, yes, and redundant data. Lot of data is redundant, right? We also seen this in case of the other thing also. Once you talk about the cloud, एक यूजफुल डेटा एंड यूजलेस डेटा. कोई डेटा इररिलेवेंट डेटा देता है, कोई डेटा रिडंडेंट रहता है, कोई डेटा डुप्लीकेट रहता है. लॉट ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा यू आर हैविंग, यू हैव टू प्ले विद द डेटा. हाउ कैन यू प्ले? दैट इज ओनली द समथिंग कॉल्ड योर एल्गोरिथम. बहुत सारा डेटा रिडंडेंट आएगा, आपका सर्च इंजन. इवन जस्ट इमेजिन दैट MySQL में आपने और 1 टेबल बनाया, वो टेबल में 1 लाख रिकॉर्ड है, 1 लाख रिकॉर्ड. जस्ट इमेजिन 1 लाख रिकॉर्ड है, एंड नाउ योर सर्च इंजन विल सर्च इट, सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम टेबल वेयर इज इक्वल टू सो एंड सो. जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक्स, राइट? एंड देन यू डिसाइड, लेट्स से अभी एक टेबल है, 25 टेबल्स है, तो 25 टेबल में आपको ये रिडंडेंट डेटा मिलेगा, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा मिलेगा, वो कैसे मिलेगा, कैसे करने का है. Now, even though you do not talk about that database, you talk about unstructured data. You talk about what? JSON, where the files are there. Instead of database, you are having the files, and you just imagine how can you extract the data? Extraction कैसे मिलेगा? Now, अगर ये unstructured है तो मेरा एक काम feasible क्या होता है कि it is portable. I can keep it anywhere. एक जेसन फाइल मेरे पीसी में, एक जेसन फाइल अफगान के पीसी में, एक जेसन फाइल अपने चिराग के पीसी में, एक जेसन फाइल सुचित के पीसी में है, राइट. एंड द थर्ड पर्सन वांट्स वन डेटा, तो वो डेटा क्या करेगा? वो डेटा पहले चारों फाइल में जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है ना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड का मतलब है कि डेटा इज लिंक्ड विद द अनदर डेटा बट विच इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. यानी 4 डेटा का कुछ लेना देना नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. 4 डेटा का लेना देना है which are linked together, which are distributed. Distributed data का meaning अलग है. Distributed is nothing, not like that you have to just keep the data on different pieces. The data should be linked internally. अगर मैं select star from query बोला तो डेटा पहले इधर चेक करेगा, इधर नहीं है तो भाई वो ये रिक्वेस्ट जाएगा दूसरे वाले पीसी पे, उधर चेक करेगा, वो वाला रिक्वेस्ट जाएगा तीसरे वाले पीसी पे. Like this, it will go on searching the each thing. और किधर भी नहीं मिला तो वो जवाब देगा कि नहीं मिला डेटा, तो नो रिकॉर्ड फाउंड, अदरवाइज इट विल गिव द रिकॉर्ड. अभी वो फास्ट कैसे करेगा तो उसके लिए फ्रेमवर्क डालने का है ना. तो फ्रेमवर्क इज रिक्वायर्ड टू एक्सेस द डेटा वेरी फास्ट, राइट. बट नाउ अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा में हम लोग को ये फिजिबिलिटी मिलता है टू कीप डेटा एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, एनीवेयर इन द क्लाउड, बट विच इज लिंक्ड एंड इट्स इन जेसन फॉर्मेट. एंड दैट्स व्हाई अभी नोड.जेएस ये क्यों पॉपुलर हो गया है? Why Node.js is so much popular? Because of the same reason. Because now people are preferring the data to keep it in unstructured format, in JSON format, right? And which we can able to put it anywhere, wherever the data is there, and which the files you can link together. And it was very difficult with the database to access the data, to get it. Database के बजाय file handling बहुत अच्छा है. इसके लिए आप देखो सी प्रोग्रामिंग, सी प्लस प्लस एंड जावा पहले फाइल हैंडलिंग सिखाते हैं. बिकॉज फाइल हैंडलिंग, द फाइल इज अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा, फाइल इज हैविंग अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा. टू एक्सेस द अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा इज वेरी मच सिंपलर एंड इट्स क्विकर, इट्स फास्टर देन द डेटाबेस. सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम फाइल बोला, फाइल के अंदर सर्च इंजन जो काम करता है, डेटाबेस के अंदर सर्च इंजन काम करता है. यू सी द स्टैटिस्टिक्स, इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम, नॉट इन सेकंड ऑल्सो, नैनो सेकंड में भी फर्क आता है. यू कैन जस्ट चेक अबाउट दैट. क्वालिटी ऑफ डेटा इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. हेट्रोजेनियस डेटा, लॉट ऑफ डेटा इज हेट्रोजेनियस. डायनामिक डेटा, राइट. डायनामिक डेटा इट चेंजेस, कंटिन्यूअसली चेंजेस, राइट. हाउ टू स्पेसिफाई अ क्वेरी फ्रॉम द यूजर, वही मैं अभी बोल रहा था. हाउ टू इंटरप्रेट द आंसर प्रोवाइडेड बाय द सिस्टम, वो भी मैं हम लोग ने अभी जस्ट बात किया. These are the challenges. These are the difficulties to build a search engine. हर एक का अपने अगर आंसर ट्राई किया, राइट. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटा, is it there in your search engine? Are you how your algorithm is it considering distributed data? Is it considering large amount of data? Is it considering the unstructured, quality, heterogeneous, dynamic data? Which type of query you are going to specify? Which type of, how can you interpret the answer provided by the system? ये सारी डिफिकल्टी है. And these are some of the difficulty. It is not like that कि ये हो गया है आपका हो गया बन गया, ऐसा नहीं. Lot of things are there. तो इसके लिए पहला ही स्टेटमेंट बोला है कि hide the technical details. No search engine will give you the perfect, the algorithm and which is published something like in paper or like where. Nobody is going to do it. Nobody is going to do it, right? और दिस इज अ पैटर्न, इसको बोलते हैं पैटर्न. पैटर्न उसके पास ही है, राइट. गूगल का पैटर्न उसके पास है. गूगल का स्टाइल अलग है, याहू का सर्च इंजन का स्टाइल अलग है, बिंगो का अलग है, अल्टा विस्टा का अलग है. लेट्स गो फर्दर. और देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज IR, इंफॉर्मेशन रिट्रीवल. इट्स अ मेन पार्ट. वही हम लोग अभी जस्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग द सेम थिंग. सर्च इंजन इज इन द फील्ड ऑफ IR. Now, what you are searching? Searching the authors, titles, subjects in library card catalogs or in the computer. Then what? Document classification, categorization, user interfaces, data visualization, filtering, हर एक पार्ट का आपको कोडिंग करना आना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फिल्टरिंग, हाउ कैन यू फिल्टर द डेटा, फिल्टरिंग करने का यानी क्या करने का, व्हाट यू विल राइट अ प्रोग्राम फॉर इट. राइट, सुनने में बोलने में सिंपल है बट एक्चुअली करने में बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है. should easily retrieve the interested information. अभी interested is very nice word, you know, interested. यानी जो यूजर को इंटरेस्ट है ना वही इंफॉर्मेशन रिट्रीव होना चाहिए. So let's say if in Google if I type like this, you know, म्यूजिक थेरेपी, जो मैंने आपको अभी पढ़ाया था म्यूजिक थेरेपी, और जो मुझे इंटरेस्टेड इंफॉर्मेशन है वही अगर मुझे मिलता है देन आई विल से कि भाई ये सर्च इंजन मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. हाउ कैन यू गेट दैट इंटरेस्टेड इंफॉर्मेशन? तो उसके पीछे लॉट ऑफ एजेंट्स आर देयर, लॉट ऑफ एजेंट्स जो गूगल को इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे. राइट, ये पिंगलेसर को क्या इंटरेस्टेड है, कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरेस्टेड है, रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन. राइट, व्हाट ही सर्च प्रीवियसली, what he accessed, what he purchased from different websites, right, where he go, where he has visited, he has got a smart mobile. ये जो डेटा है ना, this data is interrelated to each other. पहले से तो they go on keeping track of your activity, they go on keeping the tracing your activity. And then whatever you are typed in the Google, and if you if you logged in with your Google account and then you search the engine whatever you want, right, whatever interested that you put previously, that data you will get first and then other next. Right, that is what, how can you retrieve the interested information. तो ये one day job नहीं है, it took a lot of years. IR can be inaccurate as long as the error is insignificant. ये बात ध्यान में रखो. Data is usually natural language text, obviously, which is not always well structured and should be semantically ambiguous. How can you make a fool to Google? एक ऐसा क्वेरी डालो एंड गूगल खुद फंसना चाहिए. गूगल ने आपको आंसर उसको आना मालूम ही नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. Right, so like that there are some examples wherein the search engine itself it becomes like unambiguous. Ambiguous का मतलब क्या है? Ambiguous का मतलब है confusion. They themselves make a confusion, you know, they are not knowing then इसको क्या चाहिए क्या, right, what he wants, right, they are confused. So that system goes in ambiguous, right. So what actually use is what? Natural language text. जैसे अभी मुझे technical, I am not technical sound, but I want to use a Google. Google is using by any of the person in the world ना. वो कुछ भी टाइप करेंगे तो उसका ही रिलेटेड, उसका इंटरेस्टेड इंफॉर्मेशन भी लेना चाहिए. How can you do it? तो whatever he will type, it is like a natural language. अभी देखो हम लोगों ने इधर टाइप किया था, how many of them are web servers? राइट, सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम आर वेब सर्वर. इधर क्लिक किया तो ये सब मालूम पड़ रहा है. वेब सर्वर एग्जांपल चाहिए आपको, टाइप्स ऑफ वेब सर्वर चाहिए, क्या वेब सर्वर की लिस्ट चाहिए, क्या अपाचे के बारे में काम करना चाहिए, व्हाट यू वांट, डू यू वांट मोस्ट पॉपुलर वेब सर्वर्स, राइट, व्हाट इज योर इंटरेस्ट, व्हाट इज योर इंटरेस्ट. अभी ये जो इंटरेस्ट ये लोग ने मेरे को दिया, राइट, so it depends upon what, it depends upon our anything, any historical data. Let's say there is no historical data, still whatever the activities are there, that you should know it, right, you should get the information about it. What is your goal? To retrieve all the documents which are relevant to the query while retrieving as few non-relevant data documents as possible. That should be your goal, right. And see the user problems. User का क्या problem है, right, do not exactly understand how to provide a sequence of words for a search. जैसे मैं वही बोला, आई एम अ यूजर, नो वॉइस यूजर. नो वॉइस यूजर का मतलब है न्यू यूजर है, कुछ मालूम नहीं है व्हाट टू टाइप, हाउ टू टाइप, राइट. बट लेट्स से आई विल टाइप समथिंग, बट आई कैसे टाइप करने का वही मुझे मालूम नहीं. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांट टू राइट इन गूगल, इफ आई डोंट नो, हाउ कैन आई गेट द रिजल्ट्स करेक्ट रिजल्ट्स. अदर पीपल आर स्मार्ट पीपल, दे नो ये मैंने दिया ये पूछा तो मुझे वही मिलेगा. लाइक पुलिस आस्क द क्वेश्चन राइट टू द थेफ्ट, तो वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो उनको वही जवाब मिलेगा, बराबर उसको वही जवाब मिलेगा. What to ask is also a very important thing, right? Not aware of the input requirements of the search engine, right? अभी हम लोग को क्या मालूम है उसको क्या चाहिए करके. Now we are using search engine, Google search engine for many years. तो हम लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे हम लोग का मालूम है क्या टाइप किया तो क्या मिलता है. But the people like who are not knowing about the technical things, what the kind of input that they will give it to the search engine, that is important. Problems understanding Boolean logic, so the users cannot use advanced search, right? We also know there are two types, search, basic search and advanced search. Boolean logic यानी क्या? I want computer engineering and AI and DS, right? ये दो अलग अलग है ना, artificial intelligence and AI. So and is what? It's a Boolean logic. और तो Boolean logic मुझे हम लोग को internally भी इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. So no voice users, I just not talking. No voice users do not know how to start using a search engine. Don't care about the advertisement, no funding. So do not care about advertisement. About 80% of users only look at the first page of the result. So the relevant answer might be skipped. अभी मुझे चाहिए था how many there are web servers, अभी मैं इतना देख लिया. Why I will go for like this? ये मैं क्यों सर्च करूँ? अभी 10 पेजेस है और ये एडवांस सर्च में मुझे क्या क्या दिया है. Why I should go for this? I will never reach to this place. Right, relevant searches. Why I will go? I will go up to this much. एक दो स्लाइड देखूंगा भाई, ये इधर आ गया, ये अलग आ गया. That's it. Okay. So these things are very important, And 80%, 85% of users वो हमेशा ऐसे ही करते हैं. ये किसको assume करने का है? The people who want to design their own search engine, right? So they are telling about user problems, right? Searching guidelines. What are the guidelines? Different guidelines, Specify the words, right? Clearly. Use advanced search when necessary, right? Provide as many particular terms as possible. If looking for a company, institution, organization, try this www.name.com, .edu, like that, or country code. जैसे अपना visit.edu.in. Some search engines specialize in some areas, right? If the user use broad queries, try to use the web dictionaries as starting points. The user should notice that anyone can polish the data on the web, so information that they get from the search engine might not be accurate, right? You will also come to know. जैसे अभी मैंने इधर सर्च किया what I want search engine, ये मैंने सर्च किया था पहला, ये search engine basics PPT. Your first chapter is search engine basics. I want that basics. तो मैंने 4-5 स्लाइड देखा, right? I got these results, right? और जो मेरे सिलेबस में जो कंटेंट्स है और ये वाले पीपीटी में जो लिखा है, I matches that particular context and I got that. अरे यही तो मेरे को चाहिए था और स्टूडेंट को भी यही चाहिए, right? स्टूडेंट को अभी ये दुनिया भर का पीपीटी देख के और रीड करके क्या फायदा है? The other material is given over there, और जो बाकी जो बचता है that I'm telling orally. So whatever the things that I am giving, it is because of my previous experience, because I work in that particular search, different server, web server. That's why I can able to tell you कि भाई ये भी सर्वर है, वो भी सर्वर है, वो सीजीआई से आया है, वो कोरबा था, बाद में ये आ गया, वो आ गया. Right, that I could able to do it because of my experience. But otherwise, this is what that you will also get it, right? But this is very very important, na? Right? So anybody they get from search engine, but it might not be accurate. Are you getting? But whatever now I am telling you, it is accurate because I have gone through these particular things first. I have gone through this, right? I make sure, right? That भाई ये बराबर है ना? Yes, बराबर है. So according to what? According to my experience, ये अभी मुझे बराबर लग रहा है. So that's why I am sharing it with you, right? Types of search engine, again very important, is search by keywords. सर्च बाय कीवर्ड्स में ये वाले सर्च इंजन आते हैं, अल्टा विस्टा, एक्साइट, गूगल, राइट, नॉर्थन लाइट। ट्राई दिस अदर सर्च इंजन, ट्राई करो जरा, altavista.com ट्राई करो, राइट, एक्साइट। Not only you stick with Google, you try others. Search by categories, right? Example, Yahoo. Specialize in other languages like Chinese Yahoo, right? Yahoo Japan, वो उनका लैंग्वेज में भी ये है। इंटरव्यू सिमुलेशन, इसके लिए Ask Jeeves है, right? I think you might have gone through all the search engines. आपने ऑलरेडी ये सर्च इंजन का किया रहेगा, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है। अगर नहीं भी किया रहेगा, but this is a good and that you can do it, and this is what is the largest search engines, and the data is for 1998, right? You may search this largest search engine. Largest search engine in the world. Let's see, top search engines ranked by popularity. ये बहुत important है। एक साल दो साल सेम ही नहीं रहता है, अलग अलग रहे, बट जस्ट फोकस ऑन इट। सी दिस टॉप सर्च इंजन, जैसे अभी मैंने बोला ना, गूगल, बिंग इज मेजरली यूज्ड बाय द चाइनीज पीपल, बाइडू, याहू, यांडेक्स, ask.com, ये भी मैं आपको बोलने वाला था, एंड डकडकगो, राइट। दीज आर द टॉप सर्च इंजन्स दैट यू शुड अवेयर ऑफ। गूगल तो आपको मालूम है हाउ इट इज पॉपुलर एंड हाउ दे आर गिविंग द रिजल्ट्स एंड सो फोर्थ, राइट। बिंग is also there, Baidu is there, I think Baidu China's largest market, so I was sorry, मैं मुझे लगा बिंगो करके था। बिंगो is like Google's big contender, right? So it's a US product only. Baidu is there, Baidu is a China's largest search engine, right? B से start होता है उतना मालूम था, Baidu is there, right? Yahoo is there, Yahoo search engine, people are using it. Then Russian के लिए, Russian traffic के लिए Yandex is there, right? So these are the popular search engines. Ask.com मैंने बहुत बार पहले भी यूज़ किया है, आपने भी यूज़ किया रहेगा, मुझे मालूम नहीं है। Ask Jeeves वो भी बहुत अच्छा पॉपुलर था। We used to use this search engine at our college days, right? Because of the companies, ये वो, so ask.com, whatever you are asking you will get a result. So लेकिन अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलता था, गूगल के भी अच्छा मिलता था। गूगल अभी था, लेकिन अभी नाउ the people are using only Google. DuckDuckGo, just try it out. I have not tried this DuckDuckGo. आप ट्राई करो जरा DuckDuckGo, कैसा रिजल्ट मिलता है, क्या मिलता है, राइट। यानी अगर आपको टॉप सर्च इंजन क्वेश्चन पूछा, if the question is asked to you, in the exam or like that, you should able to come to know, you should write it down. And I will not say that I will give the marks only that you should give like these answers. No, ये तो उसके लिए जमाना हो गया ना रे, 1998, 1997 उसके ज़माना हो गया। अभी ये सर ने जो बुक लिखा है, डॉक्टर देवेंद्र शाह ने, उन्होंने कौन सा ये क्या पॉइंट के ऊपर लिखा है, ही ओनली नोज। अदर थिंग्स आर कॉमन ही है, ये तो अदर थिंग्स दीज आर कॉमन ओनली, like from next lecture onwards we will go for the success factors and so forth. So today we cover only one thing, right? Search engine basics. Search engine basics हम लोग cover कर रहे हैं, an introduction to SEO, just starting with the introduction to SEO. Otherwise lot of things are there, like SEO के अंदर बहुत सारे things है that we have to do it. But I think my suggestion is to refer this book. Right, the book is very nice. I have gone through the book and I read that also. Right, in the last semester only, जब भी लोगों ने एडवांस इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी लिया भी नहीं था, तभी मुझे ये 2 कॉपी भी मिला था, तभी मैंने वो पढ़ा भी था। तो देयर आई वाज सरप्राइज ऑल्सो कि अरे इतना बढ़िया सब्जेक्ट है, अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है, व्हाई पीपल आर नॉट ऑप्टिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट। जाने दो, दे आर वेरी मच उसके लिए डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक के लिए बहुत वो उनके पीछे है। नाम से कुछ नहीं होता है डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक वगैरह, उसके लिए भी ये सेम ही है ना, यू हैव टू डू द सर्च फॉर इट। ओके, ठीक है। एनी हाउ, स्टिल these are the some of the search engines, right? Architectures दिया है अल्टाविस्टा, हार्वेस्ट एंड गूगल, right? This architecture that we will not do this, we will do the which is there in your syllabus, that we will do it. Obviously Google architecture is there, but this is not the diagram which is supposed to do it, right? I will tell you, but basic part that we took it now. Okay, basic part हम लोग ने लिया है, search engine basics. So I think the basics of search engine that you got it, right? I think, can you anybody give me the answer? Have you understood the basics of search engine? Yes, basics of search engine, have you understood? Yes or no? Irag is saying yes, Adnan is saying yes. So the people can type, in the chat box, so that I will come to know, आपको पता चला नहीं पता चला, right? See what we will do, apart from this, I will go on listing the something like assignments for you, right? So assignment हम लोग चालू भी करते हैं फटाफट करने का। There will be the some like करके puzzle रहेंगे, puzzle quizzes, this will be also there, so that there should be something like interactiveness with you people, right? And other thing is that I already told you that there is no kind of like mini project and so on and so forth. Some of the experiment that we will take it, like designing of search engine, like Google जैसा हम लोग भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाएंगे, right? एक छोटा सा, तो like it's like the experiments, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई यानी प्रैक्टिकल लिया ही नहीं हम लोग ने, right? Though it is not there, it's a part of our term work में हम लोग को वो डाल सकते हैं, तो थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग करेंगे। ओके, fine. Is there any question now? I think 5 minutes are there, 5 minutes or more, so you may ask the question. You can unmute yourself, you can ask the question. Okay.